Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hello. Good evening. How are you?
Glad to see you.
Same here.
We're just waiting for some more people to join and then we can start.
You can join.
Ma'am, you're not properly audible.
Is it?
आपकी आवाज पूरी साफ नहीं आ रही है.
अब?
अभी बेटर है. हाँ, it's better. I'm audible?
Yeah, very clear. So what to do now? Am I audible?
Yes. Now you're audible.
Okay.
I hope you're audible to all our people who have joined us. All our guests who have joined us. Can you please give me a thumbs up if me and ma'am we are audible? अगर हमारी आवाज साफ आ रही है मेरी और मैम की तो कैन यू ऑल गिव मी अ थम्स अप. आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल आवर गेस्ट कि अगर वो थम्स अप दे दें. यस, वी आर ऑडिबल मैम. थैंक यू अमन. So we have a very interesting topic today. We are going to talk about spirituality. Ma'am is an expert to talk about it. She has learned a lot, many things through by herself. Her insight learning is there, and many things. Maybe she's very learned, so she knows much about it. We're going to discuss about it today. Hope everybody
will come to know that. I don't know. You're talking high about me.
This shows how humble you are. How has this COVID period been, ma'am? ये लॉकडाउन पीरियड और सब कुछ कैसा रहा आपके साथ?
For me, it is good. You know, I'm enjoying reading a lot.
Because आप टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में इतने टाइम तक रहे हैं. And you're still into curriculum making. Students का curriculum आप तैयार करवाते हैं.
That also, you know, I still provide the curriculum to the people and guiding them, guiding teachers also.
In fact, you're guiding all these students. And I'm glad to tell everyone that ma'am was my teacher when I was in a kindergarten play school.
Oh, and what a coincidence that it is the Teacher's Day today.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am remembers me. That is the best part. And she remembers a lot many things about me.
To think of that tiny little angel. And thanks to the social media.
Yes, definitely.
And the most important thing is that my child is doing so good. Mani, you are so good.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You know, it's a blessing when the children do well.
So I hope we can join now. I mean, we can start with the things.
Yeah, it's already 9.
So, ma'am, there are certain questions people also asked. They were also interested to know about, because when we talk about spirituality, जब हम spirituality की बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले लोगों का ध्यान जाता है कि हम religion की बात कर रहे हैं कि किसी न किसी religion से based है. जबकि what I know about spirituality is that ये किसी religion से based नहीं है. It is about knowing yourself. कि आप अपने आप को कितना जानते हो, आप अपने आप में कितना satisfaction attain कर लेते हो, gain कर लेते हो कि आप अपने satisfaction के साथ लोगों को समझ पाते हो, उनको अंडरस्टैंड कर पाते हो, उनके साथ एंजॉय कर पाते हो, उनकी खुशी में शामिल हो पाते हो, उनके दुख में शामिल हो पाते हो ना. दैट अटेनमेंट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी फॉर मी. आप क्या इसके लिए बताएंगे मैम? गिव अस सम गाइडेंस अबाउट इट.
एक्चुअली
आवाज नहीं आ रही मैम आपकी. यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल.
And the spirituality, they are neither opposite nor the same.
Not audible, ma'am.
Okay. Neither opposite nor the same. The spirituality and religion, they are neither opposite nor the same. Both different ways. And you know, religion leads us to the truth, and spirituality also leads us to the truth. But the difference lies, the path is different, but destination is the same. And but the main difference is there's people think that there's a misconception about it, that spirituality and religion are the same. Not exactly the same, that's a misconception only. But religion tells you the truth, and spirituality allows you to discover the truth. That's the difference. You make your own path and create your own stories in spirituality, whereas in religion you have to follow the others' experiences, what people have already done, that other person has experienced, and you have to follow that person. Whereas spirituality makes you to create your own stories, your own path. It is individual journey, and that is a group journey, we can say.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, what I could get that is that spirituality is basically oneness. जहाँ सब oneness, जहाँ सब एक साथ हैं, and religion अलग-अलग हो सकते हैं, लेकिन spirituality में there is oneness.
There's oneness, but it is individual's journey. It's one experience. सबका अपना experience है. ये आपको खुद को explore करने देता है. You can discover yourself, you investigate yourself and invent your own paths in that. That is the active path what is. If we can say a religion trains the mind, and whereas spirituality expands the mind. This is what my tagline these days. Train, not expand the mind. This is what I keep writing about it. So if we want to expand our mind, we need to follow the spirituality. And when the mind trained, the mental problems occur actually. So religion is believing in someone else's experiences, and spirituality is believing in your own experiences, belief in yourself. That is the spirituality is.
So why people together can also be spiritual? Like religion के अंदर अलग-अलग groups के अंदर वो form हो जाते हैं. But when we go look for a spiritual path, we can be together. Despite of different religions, we can be together. Although our journey is our own, but we can all be together.
Yeah, very true.
Yes.
It starts from the I and reaches to we.
To we. Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Yes.
Very.
Right, ma'am. So, तो हम स्पिरिचुअलिटी को अगर डिफाइन करेंगे तो हम कैसे उसको डिफाइन करेंगे? क्योंकि स्पिरिचुअलिटी हैज बीन डिफाइंड, आई मीन स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो WHO वो भी जो वेलबींग की बात करता है, हेल्थ की बात करता है, तो जो एस्पेक्ट्स उसके अंदर हेल्थ के अंदर जुड़े हुए होते हैं, दैट इज अबाउट इमोशनल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ एंड स्पिरिचुअल हेल्थ ऑल्सो. Physical, emotional, mental and spiritual health. So spiritual is also one of the aspect which has been added in WHO definition also. So it is very important. It is important to know self also. It is important to have that contentment. So how will you describe it more?
Spirituality is the only important aspect of the life, if I say the soul. When we talk about mind, body and soul, human mind is the same for the creations. And it is the teacher, but we carry it as a load, isn't it? The problems, and it is even this all the diseases are the psychosomatic. That is the thought process only brings the chemical changes in the body, and the disease occur in the body, right? But why the mind is so remains in the conflict? This is what I want to explain. And first of all, we'll talk about the body. The body is it is so temple, we can say. Our body is just like a temple. And if we talk about the mental illness or something, so you must have heard that Ramchandra ji ko bhi vairagya ho gaya tha at the age of 16. And then Guru Vashisht ne unko preach kiya for 16 days or 18 days continuously, and then through his wisdom he could invoke that towards the world, that no, world is beautiful for you and you are here to serve to the world. And वो वैराग्य से फिर निकल करके आए थे. So that is unbelievable. If the gods can have, so we are the human beings. So everybody undergoes through these mental problems, one or the other. Some are acute and some are less. Even you can see in Mahabharata also, Arjun को भी हुआ था conflict.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Krishna had, you know, guided him and helped him to realize his own potential. को preach नहीं करा, but he made him experience that he is important. So we need to think about all these things when इतने सारे examples हमारे सामने होते हुए भी हम अपने आप में विश्वास क्यों नहीं कर पाते हैं? That is, you know, very important to know. The human body is the highest and the best creation of divine, we can say. अपनी सब species में we are the best. Human beings are the best, and they are the instrument to perform noble deeds, aren't they? But do we perform the noble deeds if we are not doing the performing?
So right. So ma'am, here I would like to interrupt. I would like to say, psychologically अगर हम सोचते हैं, बात करते हैं, तो emotional health also intervenes in spiritual health. So how are we feeling emotionally? That also interrupts our thoughts.
Very true.
हमारे thought process, because it's mind. What I always perceive, what I always talk to people about, I say that mind and brain. I differentiate it into two parts. Brain is basically which entirely control our body, and mind which controls our thoughts.
Yeah.
And emotions play an important role in that. तो इमोशन और स्पिरिचुअलिटी को कैसे आप मर्ज करना चाहेंगे?
I would like to tell you, when a child is born,
हाँ.
So हम लोग इतना ट्रेन करते रहते हैं all the time, and initially if you see the child, you know, starts moving his large muscles, वो हिलाता है, and then इससे जैसे strengthen होती जाती है muscles, he start taking turning and then crawls and then walks. And then लोग कितना उसको वो कर देते, ट्रेन कर देते डूज एंड डोंट्स के साथ में. सो उसका लाइफ फोर्स है, उसको तो हम हेल्प ही नहीं करते टू ग्रो. हाउ कैन लाइफ फोर्स कैन बी ग्रो? दैट इज डेवलप्ड. वी नीड टू सी दैट, एंड इट्स द मेजर रोल इज दैट द लाइफ फोर्स को हम नर्चर नहीं करते हैं, उसको पार नहीं देते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई द प्रॉब्लम्स आकर हम उल्टा जीवन जीते हैं. कैसे उल्टा जीते? लाइक वी कनेक्ट मोर टू द ऑब्जेक्ट इज द वर्ल्ड. हम आए करके और हम वर्ल्ड के साथ में इंटरेक्ट करते रहते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ में, ऑब्जेक्टिव की तरफ में. सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड. द सब्जेक्ट वी फॉरगेट अबाउट कि मैं अपने लिए कुछ नहीं करता हूँ, मैं पूरे वर्ल्ड के साथ में इंटरेक्ट करता रहता हूँ. सो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू नो, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ल्ड इज टू वास्ट, राइट? बहुत बड़ी दुनिया है और हम उसको 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स से परसीव कर पाते हैं. सो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट? इतना बड़ा दुनिया हमारे छोटे से दिमाग में आ जाती है. सो व्हिच इज बिगर? आवर सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर बिगर देन द ब्रेन. सो द world reduces to the 5 sense organs, and then the stimulation goes to sensation goes to the brain. And brain, you know, this mind has only 2 things. It thinks either good or bad. So 5 sense organs are taking the information to the sensation to the brain, and brain in analyzing into 2 only, good or bad, right? And then that mind, before the mind there is intelligence also, and then वो जो बुद्धि के पास में जाता है तो वो एक हो जाता है. It is reducing to 1, and then it reaches to the soul. And soul को तो हम भूल जाते हैं, that is actual me. उसको नहीं ध्यान दे रहे और हम वर्ल्ड की तरफ ही कनेक्टेड रहते हैं. तो माइंड एंड वर्ल्ड में इंटरेक्शन चलता रहता है, एंड सोल इज सिटिंग असाइड, एक तरफ बिठा दिया जाता है. सोल को व्हाट एक्चुअल आई एम, वो एक तरफ बैठा है. पर इफ वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द मेंटल हेल्थ, वी नीड टू इन द स्पिरिचुअलिटी, व्हेन वी गिव द स्पिरिचुअल हीलिंग वी टॉक अबाउट, तो हम उसकी लाइफ फोर्स को बढ़ाते हैं, हम उसकी प्राण शक्ति को बढ़ाते हैं. एंड प्राण शक्ति बढ़ने से क्या होता है? व्हेन द सोल इज प्योर, इट कैन नेवर बी पॉल्यूटेड, कभी भी पॉल्यूट नहीं होती है. But mind can be polluted by the thoughts or by the interaction.
Right. So all our thoughts, basically, when I talk about, मैं जब भी लोगों से बात करती हूँ, I talk about the conscious and the subconscious. Conscious, I tell them that whatever you're seeing in the present, आप जो काम कर रहे हो, जो हो रहा है, that is the conscious thing. And subconscious, whatever you're thinking and you're taking inside your mind, whatever message you're giving to your brain all the time, I can do this or I cannot do this, I'm a failure, मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकती या कर सकता, I'm a loser, I cannot do this. This is all you're feeding to your subconscious. So basically, this is the subconscious which interrupts the brain, mind basically, and which interrupts the thought and which formulates the thought and becomes a cycle. So it is just not about the present thing.
Very
so
true,
here,
very
yes. So here the spirituality takes an important role. Spiritually, about healing self, contentment of all the sense organs.
Spirituality tells that you have to believe in yourself because you are the soul and you are connected to Supreme. So you have to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you are believing in the God himself.
Yes.
So when you have that belief, the cosmic energy also starts helping you out.
Right.
Because there. How to enhance that harmony actually is disrupted.
So I have a question before that, ma'am. Which I mean, I will come up enhancement पे भी हम आएंगे, ma'am. But उससे पहले जो मुझे एक question आया था कि some people talk about spirituality, they attain, they want it. जब भी कोई परेशान होता है, ऐसे spirituality के लिए कोई ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता है. But when they're upset, when they are in some trauma, when they're in some grief, या उनको किसी चीज से परेशानी हुई, तभी उनको लगता है कि नहीं spiritual help लेनी चाहिए. And that point of time when they're thinking about that grief and taking that spiritual help, how good is that?
See, that is also good, but if we have it from the very beginning, तो हमको problems आएंगी नहीं. Problems in the situations will be there, but we'll be able to handle that situation very well. हमारा response और reactions उस situation के लिए different हो जाएगा when we go through the spiritual. What does the soul do actually? Soul instructs the mind, and the then mind instructs the sense organs. So when we are in the soul consciousness, we can control the world. अब क्या हो रहा है कि जो world है वो हमको control कर रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
Right. All the time.
जी बिल्कुल.
Mind is changing and soul is stable. So वो stability, soul की stability और जो world में बार बार changes आ रहे हैं, उनमें एक harmony नहीं आ पाती है. So if we hold a must, so we'll be able to adjust ourselves. You know, हम अपनी उसको बहुत अच्छे से every situation में we can adjust ourselves according to the wind. What's the wind? And that becomes, you know, this thing, soul is happy, and you know your purpose also. What's the purpose of your soul? Who am I? Why am I here? What's the purpose of mine? हम जब वर्ल्ड के साथ में इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम दूसरों के द्वारा बनाए हुए जो पर्पस है उनको फॉलो करते हैं. सो आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, आई एम नॉट हैप्पी. सो वो स्ट्रेस आता है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है. आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग इट बट आई एम डूइंग इट बिकॉज माई सोल इज नॉट हैप्पी to do what the world is telling me and I'm doing. So मैं अपने लिए जो करने के लिए आया हूँ वो तो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं दूसरों के कहने के अनुसार कर रहा हूँ. तो प्रॉब्लम्स लाइफ में आती है, वो डिसहार्मनी क्रिएट हो जाती है. किसके बीच में? बिटवीन माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल.
यस,
हो जाती है. तो वो दैट we need to create. When the harmony is created between these three, so that you know life will be enjoyable, it will be beautiful, it will be joyous. The basic nature of the soul is joyous only, nothing else.
Right. So that means spirituality अगर लेनी है, इसको follow करना है, तो शुरू से हमेशा से follow करना चाहिए. Rather than only when you're in grief, when you're in trouble, then you're getting it. Because what I feel when people come back to me,
it helps, you know. There are techniques. When you breathe, when you are interacting with the world, you know, you are not focusing on your breath.
Yes,
right?
Yes.
तो पड़ा हुआ चल रहा है, जो भी आप सिचुएशन से जल्दी से आप परेशान हो जाते हैं, तो सबसे पहले हमारी सांस पर असर आता है. So spirituality, you breathe, focus on your breath, because life force तो वही, प्राण शक्ति तो वहीं से आ रही है ना. So उस प्राण शक्ति जब हम पूरा लेंगे तो फिर बहुत सारी चीजें स्मूथ हो जाती हैं. And you know, when we breathe consciously, हमारे थॉट्स के बीच में गैप आने लग जाता है. That pause comes. That is very much required. हम जब सोचते हैं फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगाते ना. Do we put the full stops? Do we put the punctuation marks? No. Speed में
it's a constant thinking.
Constant thinking.
Yes.
So, thoughts don't overlap. ओवरलैप नहीं होते तो उनके बीच का गैप कम हो जाता है. सो वी नीड टू इंक्रीज दैट गैप between.
This is something beautiful that when we think, we do not put a full stop, we do not put any commas, no breaks.
अब आप जब देखो जब बहुत ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेशन में तो स्पीड बढ़ जाती है थॉट्स की, isn't it? When we are tensed, हमारे थॉट्स कैसे भागते हैं और वो थॉट्स भी नेगेटिव ज्यादा रहते हैं. Rather than thinking about the positive of the situation, that what good can be done, we just think what wrong is going to happen now, what next is to come. We, have some spiritual techniques, तो वो उनके गैप बढ़ जाता है. उस गैप के बीच में we can think something better. जब पॉज है बीच में, थॉट के बीच में कोई पॉज होगा तो हम कुछ अच्छा भी सोच पाएंगे. एंड माइंड नेचर है कि वो दो ही तरीके से सोचेगा, अच्छा या बुरा. बुरा ज्यादा सोचता है, डरता ज्यादा है. Why the fear? Because we don't believe in ourselves. That's why we feel insecure. हमारे पास में इनसिक्योरिटी है तो हमारे पास में फियर है, लव नहीं है. If fear is gone, then love will be there. So we need to have love, unconditional love for everyone. So you enhance, expand your mind, and with that expansion, आपके thoughts को बहुत जगह मिलती है. Many doors open. If one door closes, so if your expanded mind is there, तो आपका जो expanded mind है उसमें बहुत सारे doors खुल जाते हैं. You become very creative. अगर आपको कोई नहीं मिल रहा है तो आप खुद अपनी जगह बना लेंगे और आप 10 को अपने साथ में लगा लेंगे. बिल्कुल मैम. Similarly, what I tell to people when they come to me, it's beautiful what you're telling. I also say this कि when you are frustrated, जब frustration आता है और आप frustrated होते हो तो don't take it कि मैं frustration में हूँ, क्यों हूँ. Rather just feel happy that you're frustrated. क्योंकि अगर आप frustration आपको नहीं आएगा, you will not look for another avenues. You will not open your brain, you will not think of other things that what can be the solutions. तो frustration आता है तो बहुत खुश होना चाहिए कि अरे I'm frustrated, that means I'm going to achieve something, I'm going to achieve a higher level. What happens when you believe in yourself, when you are soul conscious, life force आपका ज्यादा है, आपका soul का जो part then only you accept it as a challenge. This Quran had said, when your eyes cry, your soul dances.
Yes.
But wow, I've got the challenge now. I'm going to accept it and I'll do something great.
Right. Yes. So when people come to me saying that frustration है बहुत ज़्यादा, I say them, oh, congratulations, you're frustrated. That means you're going to achieve something.
Something great is going to come.
Yeah, that's right.
If think it that way, the way we are talking, it's not easy.
It's not easy.
Not easy for everyone. So the people who can think like this are just 2% only.
Yes, that's right.
Number. So we need to bring awareness. What you are doing, what I am doing, I can say, both of us are doing. So that if the awareness is there in every common man, although it is very difficult to convince people, but we are trying at our best.
We are trying. Yes.
To do for the society, right? Yes. So bring in yourself, always makes you happy. Challenges को accept करना, उनको solve करना, and then you are ascending higher and higher, and then as much higher you go, you're on the highway. The streets are there, right?
Right, that's right.
So no trouble there. Then you enjoy beautiful.
Then you enjoy your life. Then you enjoy your life, attaining one by one the things which you always wished for, you looked for, and you get that, and you feel happy.
So we have patience also for everything. हो जाएगा वो. With that positivity, it comes.
Right.
Soul, and when you believe in the soul, what happens? The cosmic energy, the God also helps us. I can say
that's true.
Things in your way, and then you say, "Oh, I wanted this, and it is there."
Yes, so it's basically your focus. If you are focused with your aim and just think of it, dream of it, just not while sleeping, but day and night, of course, actually consciously when you're dreaming. That conscious dreaming will help in attaining that.
Helps a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am. So how can this be achieved? How can one follow the path of spirituality? How can go through it?
See, the very simple thing is one needs to, if one needs to empower the soul, he has to be truthful. So, आज के ज़माने में when you talk about the truth, आपको people don't like it, isn't it? सच के लिए जब हम बात करते हैं, I had written a song, beautiful song about it. सच में ईश को से दिखाया, ईश हमारा सच में समाया, जब से सच की लौ को जगाया, जग सारा मुझको है लुभाया, सच से माता जोड़ ले प्राणी, मिल जाएंगे तुझको राम, सत्यमेव जयते। सो वो सत्यमेव जयते मैं जाकर के सिखाती हूँ। I don't know how did it come to my mind, and I have written a complete song. But what happened, सच की जब बात करते थे तो लोगों को पसंद नहीं आता था। आप सिद्धांतवादी हो, ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है।
गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है मैम उनको। फिर अगर आपने कोई फैक्ट चीज उनको बता दी, सच बता दिया, उनके सामने रख दिया, तो they'll just bubble out all their anger.
No, the God must have thought कि अब इसके लिए क्या किया जाए, तो एक डिवाइन न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट आया सोल को नर्चर करने के लिए, दैट इज PRASANG, प्रासंग। So positive, responsible, ambitious, supportive, abreast and noble. If we have these values, if the person is following these values or imbibing these values, वो the soul को nurture करेगा, you'll get the power, your soul will get power, and then soul will rightly instruct the mind. Mind will follow the soul, and the right things will be happening. So when you are positive, you will say, yes, I can. Yeah,
yes.
Right?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Say yes. As soon as you say yes to something, your 25% work is done.
Right.
And then when you say yes to something, आपका planning शुरू हो जाता है, right? जैसे ही मैंने yes बोला, challenge को accept करा, yes I can do it, and planning शुरू हो गया, and things come in your way, you plan it, you jot it down, 25% more work is done.
That's
and
right.
Then comes to execute. Very simple. आपने execute करना शुरू करा, hard work तो of course, action में तो आना ही पड़ेगा। विदाउट एक्शन तो आपका थॉट या आइडियाज कभी कन्वर्ट ही नहीं हो सकते,
कन्वर्ट ही नहीं होंगे।
सो वी नीड टू डू द एक्शन। जैसे ही आपने एग्जीक्यूट करा, 25% काम और हो गया। देन डू यू हैव,
सही बोल रहे हैं मैम,
आपको रिजल्ट का वेट करना है क्या? नहीं करना है ना,
नहीं करना है। राइट,
कितना करना पड़ा, यस बोलने में तो कुछ भी नहीं लगा। एंड प्लान एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ कोर्स आपको थोड़ा तो 50% ही तो काम करना है, और हम वो भी नहीं कर सकते। क्यों? क्योंकि उन पे डिपेंड है, हम अपने आप में बिलीव नहीं कर रहे हैं। So we need to believe in ourselves, and then only we can, go ahead with the things.
Yes, so that is right. So when people come to me, I often say them this only, that whenever you have something to say, and whenever somebody is asking you, you should always start your sentence with yes rather than starting it with no. लोग बोलते हैं नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है। आप नहीं पहले क्यों बोलना चाहते हो? आप हाँ से क्यों नहीं शुरू कर सकते हो?
क्यों सोच लेते हैं हम काम तो करें? We should enjoy the process.
Right.
We should enjoy path. डेस्टिनेशन तो आएगा, कुछ तो आएगा ही। If we say yes, कुछ नहीं करने से तो सब कुछ खत्म ही है, कुछ शुरू ही नहीं होता है।
और अगर ब्लाइंड वे, ब्लाइंड रोड भी आ जाती है, तो हम दूसरा रास्ता ढूंढ लेते हैं। हम वहाँ अटक गए तो हम दूसरा रास्ता ढूंढ लेंगे, हम वहाँ तो नहीं खड़े रहेंगे।
नहीं आ जाता है, it comes.
बिल्कुल। So there's always, if there is space, if somebody has left, there's always space for another to come. Somebody or something, some way. तो रास्ता अपने आप खुल जाता है, नए के लिए, कुछ बेहतर के लिए अपने आप जगह बन जाती है।
I would like to mention that each one is unique.
Yes.
One is unique, so we need to know that, like the thumb impressions are unique, we are unique. What is my purpose? What I can create in the world? That uniqueness one needs to believe in. So copy करने में क्या होगा? Quantity तो हो जाएगी, वजन बढ़ जाएगा।
बिल्कुल।
You are unique, आपका क्वालिटी आएगा निकल करके, and you'll be enjoying. Oh wow, I can do this. I've done this, right? यूनिकनेस को भी अपना मेंटेन करना है, तो यू हैव टू फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ द स्पिरिचुअलिटी दैट अलाउज यू टू एक्सप्लोर योर यूनिकनेस। अगर हम वर्ल्ड की तरफ जाते रहेंगे तो वो आपको अपना यूनिकनेस मिलेगा ही नहीं, आप कॉपीकैट हो जाएंगे। एंड देन यू फॉलो द पीपल, वो कोई भी आपको कंट्रोल करना शुरू कर देगा, एंड वो कंट्रोल आते नहीं है, फिर वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन
आता है। और कॉपी कैट बनने से वी इवन जैम आवर ब्रेन, वी जैम आवर थॉट प्रोसेस। जो हमारा ब्रेन फर्टाइल होता है, हमारा माइंड जो अच्छा कुछ सोच पाता है, वो हम सोचना बंद कर देते हैं। because we are just following it.
जाते हैं आपके न्यूरल पैटर्न्स ऐसे बन जाते हैं, फिर वो आपको सोचने की खुलता ही नहीं है। So something you keep on learning, unlearn करना भी पड़ेगा। अगर
because it's easy to create new wires. So how are we creating it? हमारी जो new neural wiring होती है, जो change होती रहती है with our learnings, तो वो it is easy to create the way we think. अगर हम उसको नेगेटिवली सोच रहे हैं तो नेगेटिव क्रिएट करेंगे, और पॉजिटिवली सोच रहे हैं तो पॉजिटिव क्रिएट करेंगे।
We'll be taking everything. हम अपने आप के साथ ही हो जाएंगे। And the person who is negative or reacting with the others, वो एक समय आके खुद से भी परेशान हो जाता है। Need to be positive in everything, and we need to, that there's joy down in my heart. We need to believe in that. Right? It's always joyous. The basic nature of the soul is joyous. So we need to be joyful always.
So this is basically, मैम आपने बोला कि अगर spirituality follow करना है तो सच का रास्ता जो अपनाना पड़ेगा. This is the first process to get into the truth. The truth, the joyness, the yes, all these things. So what other than that? Like people think about कि spirituality कि अगर हम meditate करेंगे, अगर हम ध्यान लगाएंगे, अगर हम भगवान को बहुत ज्यादा याद करेंगे ना, and पूजा पाठ में बहुत ज्यादा लग जाएंगे, so that is spirituality and that is how we'll attain. So
हम प्रकृति के साथ जुड़े, वो भी प्रकृति के साथ जुड़े, if we come closer to the nature, that is again a meditative. Observe the sky, आसमान को देखो, पानी को देखो, पेड़ पौधों को देखो, उनमें से हमको कितने मैसेज मिलते हैं।
उनसे बात करना कितना अच्छा लगता है। You can enjoy talking to them
because we are one with them. We are also nature ना, हम भी तो naturally हैं। हम उसको what the people do, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम प्रकृति से अलग हटके अपने आप को देखते हैं कि we are witnessing the nature. हम पता नहीं क्या है, we are also the nature. पंचतत्व से ही हम बने हैं. So we are one. We natural that we need to accept.
So we are one of them.
We are one of them. जैसा पेड़ पौधे भी कुछ है, पेड़ पौधे isn't it?
That's right. Yes, ma'am.
जैसे जानवर घूम रहा है, हम भी घूम रहे हैं।
बस हमें थोड़ा सा दिमाग ज्यादा दे दिया है, तो दिमाग को स्पिरिचुअली कंट्रोल में रखना बहुत जरूरी है।
एवोल्यूशन का पार्ट। हाँ। So होते होते हम यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं। And everything is evolution through us. हमारे द्वारा, जैसे जो हम खाना खा रहे हैं, वो तो that plants में था, that we are eating and we are that plant is going to become a man, us. What we need to understand that is the basic thing, that our sense organs are superior than the world, right? And the mind is superior than the sense organs. The soul is superior than the mind. Who is the most superior then?
The soul is the most superior.
The soul is the most superior, and our focus is at
mind, our thoughts, and attaining the world.
At the world, what is
at the world we are attaining, we want, which is the least important. ये चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. I should have that continuously thinking about attaining things.
Not only. So हमारा फोकस दूसरी तरफ है, हमारा फोकस दूसरी तरफ है क्यों? Because हमको ऐसा ट्रेनिंग दे दिया गया है, राइट? हमको वो सिखाया नहीं है कि आप भी इम्पोर्टेंट हो, या क्या क्यों करते हैं, या पेरेंट्स कह लो या टीचर्स कह लो, बिकॉज दे वांट टू मेक अ लाइफ मोर सिक्योर। और वो ये गलती कर जाते हैं कि हमको प्यार के द्वारा सिक्योरिटी देना चाहते हैं और हमको ज्यादा इनसिक्योर कर देते हैं। सो वी नीड we need to ask the children to believe in themselves.
So this should start from the pre-primary things.
The mother's womb only. It begins there only, isn't it? आप अभिमन्यु की बात देखो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, it starts from them, but there are some mothers who are not able to nurture all these things in them or imbibe all these things in them. I think in that case, even the teachings, the teachers, the schools, everybody can do it.
स्कूल तो बहुत बाद में आता है, 3 साल का बच्चा स्कूल जाता है, तो
स्कूल जाता है 2-2.5 साल में। हाँ हाँ हाँ,
आजकल तो 1.5 में भी जा रहा है,
1.5 में भी जा रहा है आजकल तो।
What the parents or the families have to do? पहले होता था लोरी सुनाते थे,
हाँ हाँ,
बच्चों को, तो उसमें हमने चंदा मामा की लोरी सुनाई तो चांद से कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं एट दैट एज। इन द मॉर्निंग अगर उनको जल्दी उठा रहे हैं तो कुछ और प्रभु का नाम लेकर के उठा रहे हैं। सो वो चीजें जो थी वो उसमें सोल को नर्चर करती थी, उसकी लाइफ फोर्स को नर्चर करती थी। अभी स्टोरी टेलिंग स्टोरीज की बहुत बात करते हैं, पर क्या स्टोरीज सुनाते हैं जहाँ पे जानवर हैं, डरावने जानवर हैं या व्हाटएवर। फेरी टेल्स में भी कुछ ऐसे मैसेजेस हैं जो बच्चों को डरा रहे हैं, स्कैरी हैं। जायंट्स की स्टोरीज तो
स्टोरीज के अलावा इनफैक्ट जो बच्चों का अभी whatever they are viewing, basically they start with the cartoon. I have a neighbor, उनका बच्चा भी 1 साल का भी नहीं हुआ है, but morning when the child gets up, they start with the rhymes or the cartoons and all these things. Child wakes up with the cartoon, and cartoon is all about Doraemon. It's all about how a child gets dependent on something which is magical.
I know.
तो उसकी इंडिपेंडेंस तो वही खत्म हो जाती है ना, वो सीखता ही डिपेंडेंसी है शुरू से।
तो वो फिर तो आगे जाकर के क्या होगा? When they'll be 15-16 years old, then they have to accept the challenges of the life.
It becomes difficult for them. Yes.
फ्रस्ट्रेशंस आएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि वो अपने आप में तो विश्वास करना ही नहीं सीख रहा है। जब तक खुद में विश्वास नहीं होगा तब तक
हम सिर्फ उनमें फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं, उनके पेरेंट्स में भी फ्रस्ट्रेशन आएगा तब कि कैसे इसको सुधारा जाए।
फिर तो बहुत लेट हो जाता है,
बहुत लेट हो जाता है।
चिल्ड्रन अच्छा हम ट्रेन करते करते उनको गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट और सब कुछ बहुत कुछ अचीव कर देंगे, बट एट द एंड जब लाइफ के चैलेंजेस आते हैं, दे आर नॉट बीन एबल टू हैंडल दोज, एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन में फिर सब कुछ होते हुए भी अपनी लाइफ को खत्म कर देते हैं। तो व्हाट इज person was not believing in himself, he was dependent on others. And problems hoti hai. Every other day the newspaper is filled with such stories, you know.
That's right.
This is happening, so we need to promote that. We need to believe in ourselves.
We need to believe in ourselves, and we need to promote this also, that it is not a stigma if you are getting into, you're involving with some mental health expert, you know, if you're taking some spiritual help, या आप कोई मेंटल हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट की हेल्प ले रहे हो, आप किसी साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास, किसी काउंसलर के पास, किसी साइकाट्रिस्ट के पास, कहीं भी आप जाते हो, तो दैट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी नीड्स, वी आर ऑल सोशली कनेक्टेड, तो हमको एक दूसरे की जरूरत तो पड़ती है।
टॉक अबाउट दैट ना, लाइक श्री राम को तो गुरु वशिष्ठ ने काउंसिल किया ही था ना।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, अर्जुन को कृष्ण ने किया था, बिल्कुल ना।
फिर कैसे अगर हम किसी के पास जा रहे हैं तो कहाँ दिक्कत है? एंड यू नो many people are coming out of those places when they are seeking the guidance. हम उनके साथ, and they are the, yes, I tell them when they come, I tell them you are the ambassadors now about this mental health thing. You are going to talk about it, you are going to speak about it. आप अगर खुद बताओगे, खुद बात करोगे, तो शायद you can spread the word in a better way because you're experienced. And you can talk about it, that how life changes. It becomes beautiful.
It becomes beautiful.
You know, take up the follow up for long. बहुत लंबे समय तक उनके साथ में रहना पड़ता है. That yes, we are there.
बिल्कुल. It's just not about 1 session or 2 sessions. It's a long process. It has to be handled very, very patiently.
Very, very patiently.
Very patiently.
So we need to ask people to rise from the inner self. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? बाहर से अंदर की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है ना। सो हमको अंदर से बाहर की तरफ बढ़ना है, छोटे से बड़े की तरफ जाना है। वी हैव टू बी इन द सेंटर ऑफ आवर सर्कल. व्हाट वी डू एट द सर्कमफरेंस. सर्कमफरेंस पे आगे तो सेंटर छूट गया. सेंटर छूट गया तो सब कुछ डिस्टर्ब हो गया, राइट? Have to be in our center, so circumference will be managed on its own. अपने आप ही manage हो जाएगा वो. So we need to work accordingly that way. Dreams, of course, bring purity in the soul. It makes it more pure, and it brings in mind also, and that radiates in your body. So we need to work upon that. We have to say no to passionate. ना तो पैशनेट रहो, ना डिस्पैशनेट रहो. In the way we have to be, and we have to be not the detachment, not the attachment.
Attachment, right?
Detached with detachment, with attachment, or attachment with detachment. We need to see, and then we can live a happy life. You know, right. And should we do welcome every situation.
ये मूल मंत्र बताया मैम आपने.
welcome every situation. Good situations are blessings, right? And bad situations are blessings in disguise. True?
True.
True. So I have, experienced all these things. And give a pause, and when the conflicts dance in your mind, focus on your breath.
Yes.
In the mind, the conflicts dance like anything. I don't know, what do they do? Rock and roll or something?
So something like that. Even I tell them that when you have those conflicts and those thoughts coming inside your mind, don't try to stop them. Because if you're stopping at them, you're putting all your energy in those negative thoughts only. Rather than let them go, just like those wild horses, let them run. जहाँ जितना दूर वो जाना चाहते हैं उनको जाने दो. अच्छा है ना, निकलेंगे. And rather than thinking about that, focus on something else. आपने जैसे बोला breath पे focus करो.
Focus on your breath. It is always. People गुस्सा आ रहा है तो एक गिलास पानी पियो, पानी पीने भी जाना पड़ेगा.
True.
So you have to say that 10 numbers and breath is always there.
Even I tell them that why don't you focus on your heartbeat? It is so rhythmic, it is so melodious. आप उसको feel तो करो, आप उसको सुनो, तो आपके thoughts अपने आप कहाँ आपको चले जाएंगे पता नहीं पड़ेगा.
No, we have to divert our attention from the thoughts to
something else.
Every problem comes with a solution, that is also true. वो शायद problem इसलिए है. When some problem comes in my way ना, ऐसा अच्छा कुछ तो solution निकलेगा, we'll go ahead then of it. कुछ तो आगे the problems come, we go ahead.
That's right.
And we need to think about that creativity and uniqueness of ours. We don't have to be the copycats. And quantity नहीं चाहिए, मुझे quality चाहिए. This is what I need to expect from myself. And there's a gradual and orderly manner of everything. So everything needs to be in order, means disciplined. Everything needs discipline. If we don't follow the discipline, our body is so disciplined. See, if we look at our legs, एक आगे होती है एक पीछे होती है जब हम चलते हैं, दोनों साथ साथ नहीं भागती है.
नहीं चलते हैं.
Coordination है everywhere. The coordination is there. Both the hands are so coordinated. We can learn from our body itself many things to be in coordination. So why can't we in coordination with the world?
That's right.
अभी हम लॉकडाउन आ गया तो सब घर में बैठे ही है ना, कर ही रहे ना काम, तो फिर भी कर रहे हैं and enjoying.
काम तो फिर भी कर रहे हैं. Some people are enjoying and some are not, because people those who are not, they keep coming and telling their complaints. So again here, because they don't have coordination by self, as you told. So because they don't know themselves completely, what they want and what are they looking for. So they have all their expectations from the people around them, that they are going to fulfill all those expectations. And when that exactly, and when their expectation rises, conflicts begin. Because everybody is running with their own expectations. तो पहले वो खुद की पूरी करें कि दूसरे की पूरी करें. जब तक खुद संतुष्ट नहीं है तब तक वो किसी और को ना, घड़ा जब तक भरा हुआ नहीं है वो पानी कैसे पिलाएगा.
Satisfaction is the best medicine.
Best medicine. So that is so essential. Yeah.
So some questions are there?
Yeah. So I would request all the guests. I mean, I will ask them, if you have some question, please put in your questions. आप comment box में अपने questions लिखिए. Ma'am will tell you the question. I mean, she'll answer the questions. आपके questions, because I found her preaching, her session to be very good, wonderful one. तो अगर कोई questions है तो you're most welcome to come up with the questions, because we are running short of time now. Somebody had given up a question, ma'am. मेरे ख्याल से उनका question पूरा हो गया है. Either they are answered, because she was telling what techniques can one use to expand one's mind. She or he, I don't know.
Trust in yourself and
believe in yourself, trust in yourself, truthfulness.
Yeah, you have to be the soul consciousness. And you need to know your uniqueness. What's my purpose in? And then you expand the mind. And unconditional love is very important. very important. Then another thing is निष्काम कर्म योग, फल की चिंता मत करो. आएगा नहीं आना होगा, जितना आपको आना होगा उतना आ जाएगा. And it comes, if it doesn't come from A, it will come from the B. If it doesn't come from the B, it will come from the C. और C से भी आपका रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा तो from D definitely you are going to get.
Yeah, so something which is for you will definitely reach you. Anyhow.
It reaches. If you have put in your efforts, वो कहीं ना कहीं से आपके पास आ ही जाएगा. That is for sure.
Yeah, putting in efforts is important.
Very, very.
just not sitting and waiting for it to reach you.
Thing is there. And you have to learn to live in the light of your soul.
Yeah.
Soul is delightful. So we need to learn how to live in that delight. You're alive, so you need to be happy about it, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Every moment, every morning when you wake up, that is the best thing that you're breathing.
It's making you wake up, the soul. And we least bothered about it. हम उसके बारे में सोचते ही नहीं है कभी. कुछ लोगों का चला जाता है. I've seen many people around, and they are least bothered about कि ये भी कोई चीज होती है. उनको यही नहीं पता था. Innocent they are. So वो उस innocence को खत्म करना है. We need to know actual meaning of the life, who has given its life, and why we are here on the world, in the world. We need to understand. जब तक हम अपने आप को नहीं जानेंगे, वर्ल्ड को कितना भी जान लो, सेंस नहीं है कुछ भी.
बिल्कुल. इसी बात पे I would like to add, मैम, कि अगर हम mindful रहेंगे, if we are mindful, I mean, I would like to add to her answer. Her question, जिन्होंने पूछा था कि क्या स्टेप्स है, आपने बताए स्टेप्स. I would like to add कि अगर mindfulness रहेगी, if you're mindful about what you're thinking, what you're eating, how you're behaving, if you're mindful, if you're aware of every action of yours, then of course you will get that satisfaction, because if you're aware of your actions, you will able to manage them, control them, and work accordingly, behave accordingly. तो वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है कि चीजों को किया जा सकता है. और उसके लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, you have to be mindful with your body, कि आप अपनी बॉडी को फील करें, उसको सेंस करें और उसके बाद वर्क करें.
Like the food is nourishment for the body, the thoughts are the nourishment for the mind, and values are nourishment for the soul. So we need to think about the values also. कि हम अपने values आते हैं तो soul अपने आप से powerful हो जाएगी. Then they'll realize. So जितना बॉडी को केयर करना है, जितना हमको माइंड को केयर करना है, उतना हमको सोल को भी केयर करना है. So this all we are going to harmony create. So harmony जैसे ही क्रिएट होगी, आपकी लाइफ बहुत ब्यूटीफुल चलेगी. So जहाँ पे हमारा बॉडी कहीं है, हमारा माइंड कहीं, it happens ना, we are present somewhere, mind is somewhere else. It happens many a times. And soul का तो पता ही नहीं होता है कि कहाँ पे बेचारी बैठी हुई है.
So meditation is also one of the way. Meditation, ध्यान जिसको हम बोलते हैं, that is also one of the way to get into this spirituality, जिसपे हम अपना ध्यान एकत्र, चाहे जैसे मैम ने कहा कि सांस, अपनी ब्रीथ पे, सांस पे ध्यान दो, और focusing on one point of yours, just focusing on certain things. So that will also help you out a lot. So ma'am, it was wonderful having you here. And I think everybody must have definitely enjoyed with a lovely conversation with you, and so many things insightful, which everybody got to know the concept of soul, basically, that how soul is the most powerful part.
One thing is very important message I want to give: be prasang, be joyous. That is, you need to learn imperfections. Okay, nobody can be perfect. We need to be positive, responsible, ambitious, supportive, upright, noble, and generous. Life will be beautiful in any of the problem,
So it's a beautiful message given by ma'am. So I think everybody must follow this to make their life very beautiful, and keep smiling with all your beauty inside you.
Very true.
Yeah.
Very true. Thank you so much, Manisha, for inviting. Had a wonderful time with you, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I would also like to say tell everyone that those who have missed this session, या जो दिखाना चाहते हैं ये session दोबारा देखना चाहते हैं, this session would be available on the YouTube channel Dr. Manisha Positive Mind. So you can go through that also. ये podcast, ये जो session है, live session, आपको वहाँ देखने को मिलेगा. I'll share the links at the pages I have, and if you want the link, you can comment me or you can follow it there. So you will get this message जो भी मैम के साथ मेरी conversation आज हुई है, तो वो आपको बिल्कुल वहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. So thank you everyone for joining us. Thank you ma'am for accepting the invitation, coming here, and
my pleasure.
So it was wonderful. Thank you everyone.